Why it's important to reply to all comments on your blog. One of the common mistakes that people make with their own blog is not paying enough attention to the comments people leave. They either don't respond or they take too long to post a reply. Or even worse, they don't allow people to post a comment at all. Those are all big mistakes, and you're about to find out why. The first benefit to replying to all of the comments that people leave is that it proves you're a real person. People prefer to deal with people rather than businesses that don't have a face. Replying to comments makes you more real, and they'll begin to perceive you have more of a connection. When they feel more connected, they're more likely to trust you and the products and services you recommend. Making personal replies to the comments also shows that you're interested. People will be more likely to leave comments or to ask questions if they're convinced they'll actually get a response. Another big benefit to replying to each comment that someone leaves is that it adds another comment to your blog. Search engines like to see that people are interested in your content, and having a large number of comments, even though half of them are your replies, will get you ranked higher in the search engines. If you pay attention to the reply you give to each comment, you can get even more of a benefit. Instead of just giving a standard answer, you can also include a question or an interesting comment. This will likely produce another response from the person who originally posted. It will also prompt additional discussion from other people who are reading the comments. If you have a blog, remember to pay attention to the comments and respond to every one. It helps your search rankings and will keep people coming back for more.